Mindsets that attract women. This is one you really can't afford to miss. Well, hello and welcome, my darling. My name is Arica Angelo, and I'm the trusted dating and relationship expert that men have been coming to for 12 years from all over the world to help them become the kind of man that women can't resist while, here's the ticket, not losing yourself or her. Because what's the point of any of this if you lose yourself in the process? So what is the mindset that attracts women? Before I share that, make sure that you subscribe and you turn on the notification bell. Otherwise, you'll never have a clue when another one of my videos are coming out. So make sure you turn on that bell. So here's the thing that we need to understand. The reason why mindsets are immensely important is because it is how we create our world. Did you know that you as a man, that you are the creator of your world? So one of the mindsets that really sabotage men is when they don't understand that they're the creator of their world. Many times when men start thinking that they are a product of life's circumstances as opposed to them being a cause and effect in their life, meaning they can create things, they can change their world, they are empowered to do this. When a man doesn't understand this, he has a very small, limited mindset. But when a man goes, no, I can create my world. I've been doing coaching calls with you guys, I've been encouraging you guys to schedule a call with me, which will give you the information right here on how to schedule a call with me. But the minute I get on a call with a guy and I start coaching you guys, when I hear a man, when he starts saying this, but there's a pandemic right now, Arica, and there are just no women, and all the women just fell off the earth because of Corona. When I hear that, that is a man who, and I hate to say this, but is a weak man because he doesn't understand that he's actually in control over his life and that he can create in any circumstance of life. When I see men whining in the comment section below, I go, oh, those are men who are powerless men. They are not powerful in their life. They do not show up as a creator. So the mindset that you have to understand is you have to shift from this victim, life is happening, it's all based on circumstances, and that's why my life sucks, into I can create my life. Say that with me. I can create my life. It's having that mindset that attracts women. But if you go through life going, oh, the whole world's gonna fall apart because of Corona, and you're in so much fear, that repulses a woman. She wants her man to be strong. She wants her man to be able to find solutions when shit hits the fan. So understanding, having this mindset that I am the creator of my life. I am the creator of my interactions with women. And if I don't like what I am creating, because I am responsible for what I am creating, if I don't like what I am creating in my world, then it is up to me to change that. It is up to me to create a different world. Having that mindset is immensely attractive to women because she knows this is a man who's in charge. This is an alpha male. This is my emotional warrior that I can go to when things get hard. This is a man that's going to be able to create a beautiful life. This is a man that I can co-create my life with. The other thing is the mindset that you have to attract women is a mindset of there are plenty of women out there who desire me. And you may not feel that right now, nor may you believe it. But what you must do if you're going to create your life is you must start telling yourself this. I don't care if you have to create vision boards of women everywhere all looking at you and you taking a picture of yourself and having women look at you to reprogram your mind into thinking there are plenty of women who want me. This is why our parents have always told us when things don't work out with a relationship, there are plenty of fish in the sea. Because they understood inherently that this abundance mindset, that there's plenty, there's a lot out there, that puts us in a state of being able to create, to being able to attract, to become that magnet that creates more. But when we have a limited perspective of there's nobody left because it's Corona and every woman is afraid of meeting man, that is such a bullshit limiting belief that you are using to victimize yourself and to remind yourself that you're small because of some story that you've picked up from your past. Change your story, change your life. And if you want to know how to do that, then make sure that you reach out to me to understand how you can become that emotional warrior who changes his story, that changes his life, that changes his interactions with women, that gets the love and the sex that he desires with women. So it's changing that mindset, shifting from scarcity to abundance of there are plenty of women out there. And if you don't believe it, taking some steps to change that by even creating a vision board, by telling yourself there are plenty of women that desire me, and getting yourself in a state where that makes you feel good so that you can attract that into your life. In the comment section below, I want you to be honest with me. Let's have some real talk. In the comment section below, do you feel like you are the creator of your life? Or do you not? Let me know in the comment section below, because I can tell you right now that if you do not have this mindset that I am the creator of my life, that there are plenty of women and they are all coming to me, if you don't have this mindset, without this mindset, you actually push women away. You keep high value, quality women away, and instead you attract women with the same defeatist mentality as you, and you create a paradigm with a woman who is a victim just like you, because you are a product of yourself. What you create is a reflection of yourself. So my darling, listen to what I am saying. Change your mindset. Change how you feel, and you will change your life. You will change the kind of women that you attract. You will change the amount of women that you attract. You will change how your wife is attracted to you when you change your mindset. You have the power to do this. You can have the tools to do this. Make sure that you schedule a call with me so that I can equip you with the right tools so that you can create your life. You can create the kind of abundance mentality so that you can attract the amount of women and the kind of woman, and your woman if you're married, into your life, and keeping her in your life so that you both create a life you truly enjoy. And let's be honest, and have the sex life that you just can't get enough of. Let's keep it real. So I'll see you in the comments section. Make sure that you have subscribed. But know this, my darling, in this very moment, you have what it takes. I will tell you that in every video. You have what it takes. Get in front of a mirror and say, I have what it takes. And then if you want to take it a step further, be so bold while you're in the mirror. This is just for the bold. If you're not bold, this isn't going to work for you. But if you're bold, do this. If you're courageous, you'll do this. If you don't give a shit, you'll do this. Put your arms around yourself and say, you know what? And Arica Angelo, she says in this very moment right here, right now, as I'm looking at you in the mirror, that in this moment, I am already loved. If you can do that, then you're the kind of client I want to work with. Sending you so much love from Bali, Indonesia. I will see you in my next video. You take care.